you shy in social setting? After becoming a cabin crew, you will be able to talk to hundred of passengers daily. Confidence level high. Do you struggle with time management? After being a cabin crew, you will be juggling flight, layovers, rest schedules, master time efficiency. Are you bad at problem solving under pressure? After becoming a cabin crew, you will be dealing with emergencies in the air. Quick thinking, on point. That's why we say cabin crew life transforms you. So, are you ready to take off? Let us train you to become the cabin crew airlines dream of.